Hello, everyone. My name is Ollie. Today I am very nervous. Do you know why?
Hi, Ollie. I am Mary. Why are you nervous? This is a happy day.
It is a happy day, Mary, but meeting new people is difficult for me. When I meet someone, my brain stops. I forget my English. I do not know what to say after hello.
Oh, Ollie, do not worry. You are at StoryWise. This is the best place to learn. Introducing yourself is like a game. If you know the rules, it is easy.
A game. I like games. But what are the rules? What is the first step?
The first step is the hook. You need to be friendly. You need to smile. Let us practice together. I will be a stranger and you meet me at a cafe. Are you ready?
I am ready. Let us try.
This coffee is very good.
Hello. My name is Ollie.
Hi, Ollie. I am Mary. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, to Mary.
Yes, Ollie.
The conversation stopped. What do I do now?
You did a good start. But look at your sentence. You said I am Ollie. That is correct. But in a cafe, it is better to use a contraction. Say I'm Ollie. It sounds more natural.
I'm Ollie. Okay, I understand. Contractions are important for beginners.
Exactly. And after nice to meet you, you can ask a simple question. Ask me about my coffee or my day.
Okay, let us try again. Hi, I'm Ollie. Nice to meet you. Is your coffee good?
Much better. It is very good, thank you. Are you a student at the college nearby?
Yes, I'm a student. I study computer science. What about you?
I'm a teacher. I teach art.
Wow, art is interesting. I like art, but I'm not good at drawing.
That's okay. See, we are talking. You introduced your name, your job, and your interests. That is a perfect casual introduction.
That was easy for a cafe, but Mary, what if I am at a job interview? I cannot say hi, I'm Ollie to a big boss.
You are right, Ollie. For a boss, we use formal English. Let us change the room. Now I am the manager of a big company. You want a job as an engineer.
Oh, now I am really nervous. My hands are shaking.
Take a deep breath. In formal English, use your full name. Do not just say Ollie. Say Ali Khan and use a formal greeting.
Should I say hello?
Hello is okay, but good morning or good afternoon is better. And use this phrase, allow me to introduce myself.
Allow me to introduce myself. That sounds very professional. Let me try. Good morning. Allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ali Khan.
Good morning, Mr. Khan. It is a pleasure to meet you. I am Mary DuPont, the manager here. Please have a seat.
Thank you, Ms. DuPont. It is a pleasure to meet you too. I am an electrical engineer with 3 years of experience.
Very good, Ollie. You used Mr. and Ms. These are important titles. And you said it is a pleasure to meet you. That is much better than nice to meet you in an office.
I feel like a businessman now, so full name, formal greeting, and titles.
Yes. And remember, do not use too many contractions in a formal interview. Say I am instead of I'm if you want to sound very serious.
Mary, I have a question. Sometimes I meet people at a wedding or a big party. I do not know them. How do I break the ice?
Break the ice is a great idiom, Ollie. It means to start a conversation in a new place. To do this, you talk about the situation, the weather, the food, or the music. Let us practice. We are at a wedding. The music is very loud.
Hello. The music is very loud, isn't it?
Yes, it is. But it's a beautiful wedding. I'm Mary, a friend of the bride.
I'm Ollie. I work with the groom.
Oh, nice. How long have you worked with him?
I've worked with him for 2 years. He is a very kind man.
I agree. So, Ollie, tell me, do you live near here?
I live in the city center. It's a bit far. Do you live nearby?
No, I traveled 3 hours to be here.
Wow, that's a long trip. You must be tired.
A little bit, but the cake is helping.
The cake is delicious. I love chocolate cake.
See, you started with the music, then your name, then your connection, and then the cake. This is a perfect social introduction.
Mary, I feel much better now. I have a casual introduction, a formal one, and a social one.
I am so proud of you, Ollie. Your English is improving every minute. And you are a great student, Ollie. To everyone watching at StoryWise, now it is your turn. Go to the comments right now. Write your introduction. Don't forget to subscribe to StoryWise for more dialogues. We have many stories and lessons for you. See you in the next video.